What comes to mind when you hear the term prepper? For many, it might conjure images of extreme survivalists. But in reality, prepping isn't about paranoia. It's about being practical. Emergencies happen, whether it's a natural disaster, a power outage, or a sudden financial crisis. Preparedness means being ready to protect yourself and your loved ones when life throws you a curveball. So, how do you get started? Let's cover 4 key areas of practical preparedness that anyone can follow. Every home needs a well-stocked emergency kit designed to sustain you and your family for at least 72 hours. Here's what to include. You'll need 1 gallon of water per person per day. Add purification tablets or a small water filter for backup. Canned goods, energy bars, and dried fruits are excellent options. Choose items that are easy to store and require little preparation. Pack bandages, antiseptics, pain relievers, and any essential medications. Flashlights with extra batteries, a multi-tool, matches, and a manual can opener are must-haves. Copies of important documents, spare clothing, and hygiene supplies like toothbrushes and soap. Review and update your kit every 6 months. This ensures your supplies are fresh and ready to use when you need them. Emergencies are less stressful when everyone knows what to do. A family plan makes sure everyone is on the same page. Decide on safe locations where your family can regroup, both near your home and outside your neighborhood. Share a list of essential phone numbers, including family, close friends, and local emergency services. Familiarize your family with multiple ways to leave your home and neighborhood safely. Practice your plan regularly. The more you rehearse, the more confident and prepared everyone will feel in a real emergency. Emergencies aren't always physical. Financial crises can be just as stressful. Build your resilience by saving for emergencies. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. The less you owe, the more flexibility you'll have during tough times. Explore additional income streams or skills that can help you during uncertain times. Financial preparedness gives you peace of mind and options when unexpected costs arise. Your body and mind are your greatest tools in any survival situation. Regular exercise builds endurance, strength, and mobility, key assets during emergencies. Techniques like deep breathing, journaling, or meditation can help you stay calm under pressure. From first aid to basic self-defense, practical skills increase your confidence and options in tough situations. Preparedness is about readiness, not fear. Start small. Build or update your emergency kit. Sit down with your family to create an emergency plan. Strengthen your financial safety net. Prioritize your physical and mental health. Preparedness isn't a one-time event, it's a mindset. The best time to prepare was yesterday. The second best time is now.